Now we are going to on the 5th chapter, that is sentence. Sentence को हिंदी में वाक्य कहते हैं. Now, what is sentence? वाक्य क्या है? A combination of words which give complete meaning or meaningful sense is called sentence. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिससे पूर्ण और सार्थक अर्थ की अभिव्यक्ति होती है उसे वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सीता इज अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. राम प्लेज इन द ग्राउंड. These all are the complete sentences. So when the complete sentences you listen, you understand the meaning of sentence. There are 7 parts of sentences. वाक्य 7 प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट, अफर्मेटिव और असर्टिव. सेकेंड, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. थर्ड, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. फोर्थ, इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. फिफ्थ, WH और डबल इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सिक्स, WH और डबल इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. Seventh, exclamatory sentence. Now I am going to elaborate from the first to 7th. What is affirmative? In Hindi, we say sakaratmak vakya, simple sentence. Second, negative sentence, no or not. We say in Hindi nakaratmak vakya. Third, interrogative sentence, questions mark, prashnvachak. Fourth, interrogative and negative sentence, along with questions mark, no or not, प्रश्नवाचक और नकारात्मक वाक्य. WH. The meaning of WH is what, when, where, how, whom. These all are the words of WH family, or we say double interrogative sentence. Sixth is WH, interrogative negative. In these sentences, you will find, along with WH, questions mark or not or no. Exclamatory sentence. It shows sudden feeling, or with the help of exclamation sign, we can indicate exclamatory sentence. Generally in the world, in each and every languages, there are 7 kinds of vakya. But on the normal way, we do the practice of 6 parts of sentences. We are going to do in the future of all related chapter of our workshop Spoken English on the base of this. Now I am telling you in the chart form. First is affirmative sentence. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. Second is negative sentence. I am not happy. मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. Interrogative sentence. Am I happy? क्या मैं खुश हूँ? Fourth is interrogative negative sentence. Am I not happy? क्या मैं खुश नहीं हूँ? Fifth is WH interrogative. How am I happy? मैं कैसे खुश हूँ? Sixth is WH interrogative negative. How am I not happy? मैं कैसे खुश नहीं हूँ? Seventh is the exclamatory. I'm happy. Ram won the match. Oh, मैं खुश हूँ. These all are the forms of sentences. In the future, we are going to do the unique and creative with the practical, with the workshop manual book. These practices will allow you to become native speaker of English or fluent speaker of English.